Okay, it's raining today, and my cat Mia, it got scared and went under the bed. Look. Mia, see, that's her right there. Mia, Mia, what's wrong, Mia? Are you scared of thunder, little Mia? Are you scared, Mia? Mia, look. This way, Mia. Why are you scared of thunder? Is this scary? Is the noise scary, Mia? Oh, my little Mia's a little afraid. It's okay, little Mia. It's okay, Mia. The thunder won't hurt you. Mia.
Well, I don't know. He wears a ring on his right hand.
Come out, Mia.
He don't wear it on this hand.
Mia. See? She won't come out because of the thunder. Mia. Mia. Scared little kitty.